Let's distribute. Problem number 3. 6 times x plus 8. Here we have an x that has no coefficient shown. The coefficient is the number that is multiplying the x, or often the number in front of the x. And since we do not see it, that means it is 1. This is 1 times x, and that's why they just show x, because 1 times x equals x. Okay, let's follow the steps with step 1. Identify the outside factor, we're going to circle it, and the terms inside the parentheses, underline. So the outside factor is 6, so we will circle that, and the terms inside, x and positive 8. Step 2. Set up the box model. We're going to draw our long rectangle, our line dividing through the middle. We're going to put the outside factor on the outside of the row. We're going to put the two terms from the inside at the top of the columns, starting with this positive 1x, and then this positive 8. How did we set up the box model? We set up the box model by drawing our long rectangle, splitting it in half, putting the outside factor on the outside of the row, and putting the two terms from the inside of the parentheses on the top of the columns. The unique thing about this problem is that when we have just a regular x, notice here that we put on for ourselves this positive 1 as a coefficient so that we remember when we're multiplying 6 times the 1 to get our value inside the box. Step 3. Distribute by multiplying. So let's complete this box model by finding the values that go inside the boxes by multiplying 6 times the coefficient 1, which is 6 times 1 equals 6, so 6x. Then you have positive 6 times a positive 8, and that's positive 48. How did we distribute? We distributed by completing the box model and finding the product that goes into the box for each combination of 6 and positive 1x and positive 6 and positive 8, getting our two terms. Step 4. Write the expression. To write the expression, we first recognize that these are two terms that are not like, they cannot be combined, so when we write them, we have to write them apart from each other. So 6x, and then since it's a positive 48, we'll put plus 48. From our box model, how did we write the expression? After we completed the box model, we saw the terms inside the box, recognized that they were not like terms, and so when we wrote the expression, we had to write them apart from each other and have two parts or two terms in our answer, 6x plus 48. So 6 times the quantity x plus 8 equals 6x plus 48. You are now ready to distribute for problem number 4.